more important, the fact that Martin Luther King is the man that fought for freedom, or the fact that he was cheating on his wife?
Jesus. I'm going to give you this example. He's a great father. He's a great businessman. He's a great CEO. He's an entrepreneur. He's such a boss.
He's a boss.
Look at that man. He's a boss. He's a great father. Look at him, that strong black man.
Look at him being at his kid's game.
But you're cheating on your wife. You're not a good husband. But he's great in all these other aspects. How are you a great leader, a great CEO, a great black man? You're not great. You're not great. God, you're not. That is triggering.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm a good dad. You're not a good dad because you don't respect me. How the f you showing these kids you a good father and you don't respect their mother? You're not a great dad, my nigga. You're an okay human.
Someone being a good person to you means they're a good person to you. Someone being a good person to everyone means that they are a good person.
You want to know share one nation and Imara nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell. You understand? We see this video of b.simone going in on the late great Martin Luther King, and beside me we have the one and only Simone, ladies and gentlemen. But yo, you're on honor before we even do this. We're gonna dive into another video, so stay tuned. You understand what I say? Yo, welcome back everybody. I don't know Shawan Nation and Imara Nation. Beside me, we have the one and only
Simone. No relation to b.simone. Let's put it out there.
Oh, damn. Both of y'all are
no relation. Let's put it out there.
No, hey, she put that out there quick. So Chantel, what's up?
My day out there, ready for have a conversation.
That was so hurtful to watch.
That was like the poster child for ignorance right there.
That was so hurtful to watch. Imagine you dedicating your life to uplift a race of your own, only to be reduced to cheating on your wife.
To be a great leader, but you're not a great man because you cheated on your wife.
Anyways, we got this guy right here. He seems to be on Martin Luther King's side, so we're just gonna dive into his video right quick, and we're gonna dissect the whole situation because I still don't understand what she was trying to do in that clip, and that's just a step in the face of everything that he's done for us, you know. But anyway, we'll dive into this young gentleman's video here real quick.
Y'all think this shit is cute, but it's not. I'm not here for b.simone trashing Martin Luther King. I think y'all might want to understand something. I'm starting to learn to stay the fuck out of married people's business. What gives you the right or the authority to comment on Coretta Scott King's husband as far as his husband's duties and his fatherly duties?
Yep.
When your ass is not her? If she didn't say anything about it, what gives you the authority to say something about her marriage? Like, you go ahead, look, I used to have all these feelings about Cardi B and Offset and stuff like that. But you know what? If she likes it, I love it for her. Because at the end of the day, it's not my mother business. Why am I worried about somebody else's marriage but my ass ain't married? Why am I worried about other people's relationships when my own relationships aren't all the way together?
Go pause that real quick. No, I agree with everything I'm saying. And certain things, I feel like you can talk about anything, to be honest with you. I feel like you can talk about anything. But when it comes to something so intimate as a relationship between two individuals that you have nothing, you have nothing to do with that relationship, I think we should shh. And I think b.simone, you shouldn't have, even if you recorded that dumb shit, you should just left it in the trash. This is someone who liberated his race. He got dogs sicked on him. He got fire hose sprayed on him, guns pulled on him. He got shot. And this is what you're reducing him to, cheating on his wife. You see, this is why I'm afraid of black people, you know, and it's not just black American. Even we, our own black people worldwide, any black people I encounter, we are so quick. It don't matter how much good you do in a life, we are so quick for use that one little pinch of bad there. And just discredit your whole foundation. Just matter that this little pinch or something you did. Man, I don't like that.
You see, the thing is what we don't realize that all the way I learned, nobody, especially as black people, right? We were slaves and we did not know. Nobody gave us the blueprint. We all learned. Martin Luther King did something. You know, he was only 39 when he died.
Whoa.
That's young.
Whoa.
That's young. So he did something so great for his young age, and then she's going to turn around and say, wait, but he wasn't perfect, though.
B.Simone is probably in her 30s right now. What have you accomplished?
Exactly.
What have you accomplished?
We want perfection from our people that can suck salt out a wooden spoon. They can do all these things for us. But then it's like, oh, but you did this one thing then.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Come on now.
But okay, if that's what she's gonna use to judge people whether they are good or bad, what about the people who are against abortion? You say you had an abortion. You are a murderer to some of those people. Yeah. Yeah, she did. Well, that's one of her episodes. You said you had an abortion. Now, do you think the people who are against abortion should reduce you and call you a murderer just because you took your baby out? He didn't even get a chance to cry.
Exactly.
You took him out.
But that would be too much looking in the mirror, right? We like to look out the window instead of looking in the mirror.
We see everybody else, but we don't see ourselves.
Exactly.
And that's what I can't stand some of us. Because remember again, I would tell her, me being older now, I start putting myself in people's shoes. I don't only look at my perspective anymore. I want to look at how I made this individual feel. Did I affect this individual positively or negatively? Like, is he going to leave here or is she going to leave here with hatred or love in her heart towards me? That's how I go about life. Now, for some of you, I really don't care what you feel about me. I'll tell you that right now. That's like B.Simone. Mama, you need to shut up. You chat too much. And when you say rubbish, you just spat in the face of a great man.
Mm-hmm. It comes with maturity to be able to put yourself in somebody else's shoes and to see things from multiple perspectives. Yes. And a lot of people have platform like b.simone, because what's she famous for?
I think skits. I don't know.
Okay.
Baby boy, baby, that type of something.
So it's like anybody who may not have the maturity, then we give them platform and we give them podcasts and them just go and say anything without saying, okay, mama think before I talk.
Exactly.
And that's the issue.
That's all you got to do. Just think before you speak. So you're telling me that cheating outweigh liberation. If I got to be liberated for that man to cheat on his wife, go ahead and do it. Do it 9, 5, 10, 50 times. Just so we can get somewhere. You understand what I say? I'm just being a little bit jokingly right now. I'm just being a little bit funny, but on a real level.
Yeah.
You can't reduce the man to cheating. He liberated a whole race. Matter of fact, not even his works spread out of America and into other land where black people are getting their ass kicked. So basically, him message affect the world. And you reduce him to cheating.
And what's mind-blowing to me, he was only 39.
That's crazy. What have you done at your big age? Nothing. Anyway, go continue.
All acting and taking, advice from b.simone as if her ass is Beyonce, as if her ass is fucking Remy, if her ass is fucking Sierra. When has she been married? How's her marriage going?
Ooh.
Baby girl, how's it going? Just because somebody might have not been the perfect husband does not mean that they're not the perfect father. Again, you don't know what the hell was going on in their fucking household. Ask the children how Martin Luther King was. How about you ask, well, the wife is gone too, but when she was here, she never said he was a bad husband. Even when all the allegations came out, talking about all the recordings and stuff, she still stood by her husband.
That's true.
I don't think y'all understand how a marriage works. A marriage is a contractual agreement where you guys are willing to make it work, even through turmoil. Martin Luther King was human just like everybody else, but just because his ass cheated on his wife doesn't mean that he's not a good leader.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean he's not a good father.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean doesn't mean that he's not a good human being.
Yeah.
And all of y'all throwing rocks from glass houses, y'all acting like y'all motherfuckers didn't cheat neither. Like, I don't see what's the purpose of this? Tearing down one of our civil rights leaders? What's the purpose of this? Trying to on his legacy? What the purpose of this? Y'all acting like y'all ain't seen no photo, suck a dick, get some pussy. The only difference is y'all ain't been caught yet.
Ooh. What's the purpose of this, b.simone? You're trying to find a viral moment. So you shitted on one of the most important people of Black American legacy, who fought till the day he died to make sure that you can buy that stupid ass equipment and sit in your stupid ass house and use your stupid ass mouth to utter that crap. I cannot believe it. This is what she reduced somebody who put his life on the line year after year, fighting for his people just because of a little desire for the flesh.
But you know what? That just show you say woman can't satisfy. Pre it. The man can go war, he can go march, he can have everything happen to him.
Yeah.
And him step out. Granted, as the man in the video said, we don't know. If him wife they in the room, I say, hey, are your turn today? We don't know nothing about that.
Yeah.
And then she still, after everything, woman like b.simone can't satisfy.
Can't.
If the man give you the opportunity to be sitting here and having your podcast.
Yes.
And even then, you say, well, he wasn't a great guy because he never do this thing. Imagine that.
The man march from Selman to Montgomery. You know how much shoes the man have, how much shoes the man lose?
The amount of can were probably pan
him toe. The man cartilage in him knee, wear out. The man heel back a bleed. You know how much walking the man have walk and you reduce the man to that b.simone? Yeah, wicked woman. Yeah, demon girl. b.simone a demon girl. Yeah, wicked. You understand what I say? You need to watch Santel Sebone channel and learn something. Because your critical thinking skills is in the garbage. You understand what I say, mama? Garbage. I don't understand that. And you know what too? As simple as I say it, it's reality. A lot of women, they can't be satisfied.
You can't satisfy them.
It don't matter. Them want everything.
Because them lack the ability to see things from men's perspective. So them lack the ability to see things as like, okay, he might do everything else. Me as a woman, right? If me have a man and them call me pick me, so you already know, so them already stole me. The woman them stole me already. So.
Let them call you pick me. I'll tell you this. No man don't dislike a pick me woman. I'll tell you that right now. Men don't dislike pick-me's. The only people who dislike pick-me's are women who are stubborn and manly as hell. Oh,
exactly.
You're a man. We love pick-me's over here. Come pick me. Come pick me.
Because pre-woman say, right? Me have a man and him a good provider, good leader, good everything. Him show up, I'm a pitney them game. He's a great father. Yeah. And then
wait, you say pitney them game. Him sound like a stepfather.
No. Our pitney them game.
Trouble. I want a stepdaddy.
Him show up our pitney them game. Great man, right? And then Mega say, oh, well, him cheat the one time or, the few time or make a mistake or something. And then Mega leave him over that. So warm to the other things that he was doing. But that shows us that we don't know the value of a man. The only thing we know a man for is wallet and body. So if him not pay for something or if him give body to somebody else, then we have to left him.
So it sounds as if Miss Chantel Simone will excuse a one cheating. No, that's what I say.
Will excuse it, yes.
Because this really and truly, our pretty levels, we are human beings, and the reason why a lot of people don't. I'm not gonna lie to you. If my girl give me a bun, I feel away. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna crush. But maybe when I get older, I can overlook something like that. Years of investment. She sustain a family, make sure the house good, and she just go sit down on the next man hood one day. Unfortunately, the dog beat out her booba and tell me I send her home leaking. She come home to me and she just act super nice. I say, oh, yes, so nice. So I go on. Another man just have a beat out the belly and make she get the frustration out. You understand me? I say, some more time when your girl cheat by you for the betterment of your relationship, you're bad, bro. Just make sure you sit down on the next man hood. You understand me? I say, so you can maintain a relationship. Real talk. When time woman cheat, they must need to get a little frustration there, brother. Make sure you sit down for the next man who dead and come on back to you. She got cook and she got clean the house.
Listen, me not co-sign
like
that.
Nobody business.
Me never said that. Me not co-sign that.
I'm joking. Hey, don't ever listen to that. That's the worst advice ever in life. Don't listen to that.
You remember clarify my point, right?
Yes.
Sometimes when man have sex, them not attach them emotions to it.
That is true.
Right? So man can't have sex with anybody and them not even remember the next day because him get him little buzz.
Yeah.
When woman most me know said them sexual liberation woman want claim say them can do it as like how man can do it, and so not those but the others who tend to put their emotion involved, because look at woman, you need to sweet her up first. And then, you send her some text, send her some flowers.
Yeah.
If a woman look you, she have to send her but show you her titty them. That's it. That's all it takes.
Yeah, pretty much.
So when a woman cheats, she gets her emotions involved. When a man cheats, him just, in and out.
I can agree. I can definitely agree because sometimes when these women are cheating with me, Chantel, they are telling me their business that they think I care. I don't care.
They're getting their emotion involved. They're trying to bond.
I don't care. But you see, thing about it, I listen though. I listen because I want to hear what not to do. So when your girlfriend right that's I complain about your brother, I really don't care, you know. Me really no business, but me just listen what not to do. Oh, the boy, I do this, I might do that. You know, say, I'm not gonna do this, I'm not gonna do that. Come on, my girl, sit down for the next man, blood natural, that till yeah. So, in a synopsis, b.simone, if you just shut him out, you understand me? I say simple as that. Just shut him and don't. As Chantel said, you know, he's coming to the games. You know, if she can't cook, he's gonna cook. If she can't clean, he's gonna clean. He's doing all these things, but him just so happen to, you know, fall to temptation. That's exactly what it is. You know, but the thing when it comes to sex, we look upon it like it's a forbidden ground. You can't cross a line, yeah. And if you cross a line, yeah, we're done. But hey, we don't care what you did over there, even though you did all these great things. What you did right here, it outweighed all of that. So I don't care. It shouldn't be like that. But with that comes maturity. Right now, I personally can't do that. If a girl cheap on me, I left you.
It might be say different for man, because you don't know when woman cheats.
Yeah,
the emotion
it's different.
involved.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Like, can you imagine the thing that she same thing she do to me, she do to her next one.
Suck off him toe and them something there. Can you imagine? No, sir. But with a man, it did different. That's why I'm always like, if I hear a man cheat, I say, you know.
Yeah.
But I know it's unfair. It is unfair. Man and woman are equal.
No, it's
right?
not.
So it just is what it is. But you have some woman where them man would have beat out them eye till it all the way out, and them not left him, but one cheat. That's where they draw the line.
That's where you draw the line.
Come on.
Stupid line. Don't draw it. Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and more Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? And I need you to go on over to Chantel Simone's page and do the same thing. She's going to be in the title and the description. So go there, right?
Right.
Anything you want to say before we boogie?
Just big up on yourself. This was a great conversation. We bring perspective to the conversation over here. So, rate enough for tuning in.
Yeah. Go over there and follow her. Tell us your niggas. You understand what I say? Up move! We don't live nowhere. Go home now. Go home now.